Now, good morning, dear students. Me, KK Bhatt, a teacher of LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today I am going to teach you a new chapter. Its name is The Proposal. This chapter has been written by Anton Chekhov. He was a Russian writer, playwright too. So what do you understand in this lesson? Here mention the proposal. You know well what is the meaning of proposal. A person who wait to get married someone, the word has been used as proposal. Here in this lesson, some characters, the three most important characters, and whole story moves around these three characters. First, you see here Stepan Stepanovich Chubukov. This character known as Chubukov, he was the land owner. Second, Natalia Stepanovna. This character known as Natalia, a 25 years old girl and daughter of Chubukov. Now the third character, Ivan Vasilievich Lomo. This known as Lobo, a landlord and also neighbor of Chubukov. Now Ivan was 35 years old man and he want to get married. That is why he went to Chubukov's house to take proposal. And as soon as he entered in the drawing room of Chubukov just one welcomed him. And Chubukov also surprised to see that Lomo was well dressed. He was in evening dress. So he wanted to know why he was in this dress. As Lomo replied that he was here for some reason and he wanted to say for what reason he was there. But on this way, Chubukov just start to think that man may become to demand some money. If he demands some money, he refused to give a single rupees. In this way, you can see that Ivan Vasilievich just want to say, but he suffered with the problem of palpitation. That is the heart disease. His one side body just start to vibrate, and he felt some trouble during that. And that happened because when he became very happy or excitement. At last, Lomo told him that he was there for Natalia. Or we can say that he cleared that he was come with a proposal with get married with Natalia. Hearing the word of Lomo, Chubukov became very happy and he just started to love and care to Lomo, to saying that you are my son, you are my all, you are my stars. There are many words used by the Chubukov for Lomo. And in happiness, he went to call Natalia. Natalia was on the roof. He was busy to doing the farming work. And when Natalia came to the dining room, he saw that Ivan. And also Ivan was in well dressed. She became surprised and wanted to know the reason. For what purpose he was there. And also she inquired that have you taken your lunch or not. In this question, Lomo said that he had taken his lunch, and then after both are start to discuss with each other, and on discussing, Lomo just start to talk about his property. Mystically, Lomo showed that he was also the landowner of that village. So he said that the Askan village was just besides a pure birchwood. And Lomo just indicate that Askan widow was mine. As soon as Natalia heard that, he claimed about Askan widow. Natalia just put a question, from when did that is yours, that was yours. On this, Lomo replied that that was from the beginning. And both are discussing about that. And in this, Natalia said that that land was mine. And Lomo said, no, that was mine. And they went into the past. Lomo also said that he had the evidence, papers about that land. But Natalia did not agree with that. And finally, Chubbuko entered in their discussion. He involved in that discussion. And when Natalia wanted to prove, so he asked Chubbuko, who was the owner of Askan meadow. Chubbuko said undoubtedly they were. But Lomo can't be angry about that. And both are fighting long about that Askan meadows. They are discussing to each other on that particular topics. And you know well that's what's happened when two people quarrel in the village areas or others. So both are just going to abuses to each other on their ancestors. As in fighting way, Chubbuko said, and also abused to say that your grandfather was drunkard. It means the grandfather of Lomo was drunkard. And one negative marks has been given by the Chubbuko that your younger aunt, Natasha, here clear, Natasha, ran away with architect. These are blamed against the family reputation. On this, Lomo also replied that your mother was humpbacked, and also he said that some backbiters are in your family, and being insulted by those, you want just feel some lunacy, and the disease just start to, and because of palpitation, Lomo just started to feel uncomfortable, and that is why he want to run away from that place. As soon as Lomo went from that place, Chubbuko said to Natalia, that man came here for proposal. What type of people this was? Hearing that Lomo was here for proposal, Natalia being shocked and being unconscious, fell down on the chairs, saying, "Oh father, call him back. Why did you not tell me before that Lomo was here for the proposal of my marriage?" He again compelled to Chubuko to go and call him back. On this, Chubuko felt insulted and he said that really a daughter was burden for a father. Why not he hang himself to till death? Why not he shoot himself? Early father being father. In this way he cursed himself and finally he called to Lomo. Lomo again entered. And there he found that Natalya was in normal condition. Natalya wanted to change the topic. So he just started to different question as like that, when will you go for hunting? And also discussing about their farming cultures. And in this way, both are just started to discuss on their dogs. Natalya said that Scuser, the dogs of Lomo, was not a good hybrid. On this way, Lomo said that your dog case that we find in the street, it was very ordinary dogs. And both are just start to discuss on the matter of their dog in their fighting moments. Chubuko also entered between them and asked, on this matter you both fighting. On this way, Natalya said, tell him, father, whose dog was better? Chubuko just said that, undoubtedly, my dog was better. On this way, Lomo just started to give the negative object of guess on this negativity. Chubuko also started to tell him about the negative point of disclosure. In this way, both are fighting to each other. And hearing the quarreling of both, Lomo felt unconsciousness. The disease, just palpitation, just repeat again, and he felt some giddiness. Finally, he fell down and being unconscious. Lomo just fell down on the earth. Chubuko said maybe he had died. On this way, Natalya started to crying. Started to weep because that is his last hope for the marriage, and she just giving reason about her weeping, and Chubuko also tried to make him in conscious condition, and after a few times, Lomo just became unconscious to saying where he was, and finally, Chubuko became happy, and he cut the hand of Natalya, and then after Chubuko and said to both get married with each other. And he just started to enjoy his drinking. And in this way, Natalya and Lomo get married with each other. And what's happened the next? It may be that both are loving pairs, both are fighting for minor things in future. But now Chubuko felt relaxed after both got married. Thank you, dear students. I hope it's clear to all. If you have any problem, you can contact me personally on my WhatsApp number or mobile number.